Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. Just when you thought you have seen the worst, events begin to unfold to let you know that that's just the beginning of the drama that is unfolding in Imo State. Just hours ago, Uche Nwosu was arrested in a commando style. As if we have just seen the worst, but the worst is actually yet to come, as videos and pictures are now online that are viral on the state of affairs of Uche Nwosu. And of course, his media person have decided to speak up on the condition of things. Before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, photos of Uche Nwosu, the former Imo State governorship candidate and son-in-law of former Imo State Governor Rochas, Okorochas, who was arrested on Sunday, December 26th, have been shared online. Nwosu was arrested during a service at St. Peter's Anglican Church, Eziama Obairi, in Inkwere local government area. The photos shared online show him stripped up of his top and in Uche Nwosu, in a statement issued by his media person, his media aider Chikezie Nwadike, disclosed that he didn't spend the night in the facilities of the police. The statement also debunked the speculation that Nwosu was arrested in a church because he had refused to honor many police invitations extended to him. The statement reads in part, "This is to inform the general public, friends and well-wishers, supporters and sympathizers that Ogwumba Uche Nwosu, who was abducted by security agencies while observing church service at St. Peter's Anglican Church, Umuokikwe Village, Eziama Obairi, Nkwere local government area, has regained his freedom and released unconditionally. Hallelujah. He never spent a night in their custody, as every effort was put in place to get him out." Recall the ugly incident that took place yesterday, the 26th December 2021, at St. Peter's Anglican Church, as security operatives swept him inside the church during the outing service of his mother's burial and whisked him away amidst sporadic shooting and harassment of the congregation. I have spoken with him and he extended his greetings to all of us out there. Well, the pictures we're saying is not comforting at all, having seen him without a shirt, just on singlet and on full handcuffs. Well, he said to, clear the air, because a lot of Nigerians were wondering what's going on. How come he's a gentleman, even if they may not like his disposition, but it's a politician, it's an elite. It's just a case of inviting him for whatever questioning outside the media and forget the whole commando and Gestapo style he was being picked up. Just talk to him normally, send him an invite. He could actually go with his lawyer if he needs to. But going through that method, a lot of persons thought it was UGM, having known the style with which it was being done. Of course, the church reacted, Imolites reacted, human rights activist organizations reacted, former ex-minister reacted, and even Rochas himself reacted. And later on, hours after, the government of Imo State also reacted. Now, Uche Nwosu have decided also to react. Everybody is reacting. But, one thing is certain, the manner and method of the arrest is what got everybody's, tongues wagging. A lot of media houses took it as an abduction because, of course, in Nigeria, it is not news. It is not new, and it's not. It's almost normal. Though it's an abnormality, but it's now a normal thing. That UGM does a lot of things. Look at what happened in the case of the late lawyer Dora Kuyele, who happened to even the husband Chike is now late. It was done through the UGM style, the Gestapo style. A lot of Nigerians saw it as UGM, and today he's no more because it was still that same rough handling style that was used to pick him up and eventually he's no more to even see the 30th of December 2021. So everybody got worried, got scared when Uche Nwosu had similar experience, and this time around in the church premises. Okay, so it's normal for Nigerians to react the way they reacted, because this is not the professional conduct of an organization well known to be a security agency. Okay, but they have actually come and debunked it and said, look, it's not UGM, it is them, and Uche Nwosu's media person had to correct the impression that probably they have been sending him invites and he has been ignoring it. Some person said it could be that they had intel that after the church services, he may be traveling out of Imo State to Abuja, so they had to pick him up there. But it's good to note that Uche Nwosu himself said he regained freedom that night, which means his father-in-law did all he needed to do as a former governor of Imo State and also a sitting senator. And neat strings were pulled, and it's good to know that he was brought out. But looking at the way he was dressed, you will know that a Nigerian behind the bar, there's nothing like a politician, but it depends on the level of political position you hold. Because there's some politicians that are well taken care of, even though they are in detention. But this is good to note that he didn't spend 24 hours, but then he didn't get to tell Nigerians exactly why he was actually brought in a commando style to the station. But a lot of Nigerians have been reacting. A lot of people have been talking. We're going to take cross-section of what Nigerians are saying, and then some of them didn't spare. They just kept on speaking their mind, without caring whose ears being God. This one here is saying, well, Uche Nwosu is only reaping what his father-in-law sowed. Empty, what you sow, you reap. Well, keep hearing this, and only God knows what he did in his time past that is making everybody saying the same thing. This one here is saying, not today. This one, another person here is saying, I watched the video and it was a mess by the police to arrest a defenseless citizen in that manner. Whatever may be his offense should not have been used. This style should not have been used in the church. What if it hits church members? The government is introducing anarchy in the state. This one here is saying 2023 we are there soon. This one here is saying, what do you mean do again now? I think same go do in mama burial. It is well, oh my brother. It is well in the well, oh. This one here say, are we still in democracy or is this military regime? This one here is saying, everywhere in Diara, you came to church to arrest someone and you are shooting gun, nonsense. This one here is a good, beautiful man. Another person here says, you came to church to make arrest and you destabilize the service, then you think you will go free. The anger of the Lord will befall to whoever sent the police to destabilize church service. How many times has police arrested people in mosques during session? May God pay you with your coin. So here's a father-in-law. This is the action of the police is a semblance of how terrorists operate. Whatever. Right now, Nigerians are getting really vexed. It's good to know that he's free. That's where probably we're going to wrap this up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on what is going on? Well, it looks like Senator Rochas Okorochas have decided to put his full weight on this. Don't forget, there's a lot brewing between Rochas Okorochas and Right Honorable Emeka Ihedioha, although they've not made it public. But we do know that come 2023, Imo State will have a little semblance of Edo State. We don't know how to play out, but I guess all parties are getting prepared. That's going to wrap it up. Let's put in the comment section. What's your take? Do have a nice